Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to remount a USB flash drive you ejected from your computer without physical removing and reconnecting it. I show you guys how to do that. So you might see a notification if you are going through device manager that saying the Windows cannot use this hardware device because it's been prepared for safe removal but it not been removed from your computer, followed by error code 47. To fix this problem, unplug this device from your computer and then plug it in again. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select device manager. Expand the universal serial bus controller section and locate the device you have problem with. Right click on it and select disable device and select yes. After disabling it, you just need to right click on it and re-enable it guys and select yes to re-enable it. It's asking for restart your PC. Just need to re-enable it and restart your PC. There you go guys, simply as that. So I hope this problem resolved. So if it's not working for you, you probably selected the wrong device. Again, it should be the name of your flash drive in here. Whatever USB flash drive name is yours, you just need to go ahead and right click on it and select disable and just re-enable it guys. Hopefully your problem will be resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.